there's two separate cases here. I think there's something absolutely around reskilling, and I work within life sciences, so we're seeing a massive disruption within industry at the moment around how we are developing drugs. So on one side of things, we are chairing and have brought together, both in Boston and in the UK, groups of chief medical officers and medical directors together to actually talk about the disruption and change and what skills they need in the future, and how do we go about actually developing those skills. We offer a programme called Physician to Pharma. It's something we've been running for the last 5 years, where we take highly skilled physicians coming out of healthcare that want to transition into the pharmaceutical biotech industry, and we offer and facilitate, it's quite a brief sort of training, a couple of days, but it just looks at competencies and how they can transition. However, the area I am most passionate about is we find graduates, particularly in the UK, are not getting first to industry roles. So 3 years ago, we spent 12 months designing and developing a programme that would see us completely sponsor and train graduates, life science graduates, and then use our staffing wing to place them into first to industry roles. In the last 3 years, we have now fully funded, trained and placed in first to industry roles more than 100 graduates. Now, I think for a staffing business, that is an exceptional thing to do. And I think staffing in the next 3 to 5 years is going to go through its largest and probably most dynamic change. I think your point around how we will be able to automate everything is absolutely key to what's going to happen as we move ahead. So we have to find other areas where we are adding value to our client base, and where else could you add more value than creating the skills that your client needs in order to grow. So I'm so proud of what we've achieved in that area and that we continue to achieve. Our biggest challenge around that is our client base viewing a staffing business and thinking, why are they doing this? We're doing it because if we don't, we think in 3 to 5 years' time, there will be such a shortage of skilled workers that where are our clients going to find them from? Because they most certainly are not investing in training any longer, and they haven't for the last 10 or 15 years. In pharmaceuticals, they have outsourced everything. So we are now making the change that the industry needs in order to have its highly skilled staff.